All right, we're finishing off the problems here, and we're on 41 now. Multiplying radicals. So if they have the same base and you're multiplying them, you add them, right? So let's start with the x's. x1, x4 would be x to the fifth. Okay, y3, and a negative 3 is y to the 0, which is just a 1, so that's x to the fifth times 1, or just x to the fifth, right? Next one is a power of a power. Many people forget the 2 because we have to cube the 2 and cube the 3. Most of you will remember the c, cubing the c, but not the 2. So 2 cubed is negative 8. C cubed is just going to be c cubed. Okay. Next one, subtracting now. So 3 minus 3 is f to the 0, which is just, well, we'll talk about it in a second. Now look at g. G is subtraction, so that's 2 minus negative 2, right? Keep, change. So when you get negatives, I just want you, work the problem out. So you understand. Now, anything to 0 power, again, is 1. So that's 1 times g to the fourth, or just g to the fourth, okay? Next one, we've got 2 rules here. We got the power of the power. So let's do that first. So that's y8 times negative 8 times 3 is negative 24, times negative times a negative is a positive. Okay, now we're doing the multiplication rule. Keep the base, add the exponents. Well, we're adding a negative 25 and a positive 15. And I believe that's going to give me a what? Negative 9, wouldn't it? 9, yep. And then we're going to take negative exponents. That's a no-no. Put it on the bottom, right? And we're done. All right. So, we got a lot of stuff going on at 45, don't we? Well, let's distribute the 3 first on the denominator. 2 to the third. X, power of a power is multiplying, so that would be 9. Okay. And then we have 2 exponents, or 2 coefficients. 4 and 2 is 8, right? And then there's a little 1 there, so that would be x to the sixth. All right, well, 2 cubed is 8 over 8. And then here we're going to subtract, right? 9 minus 6 is going to be y to the third. Well, 8 over 8 just cancels to a 1. So we got y to the third. All right, last one, right? So if you'll notice here, you do not have the same base. So really what I'm doing is just evaluating the problem. So that would be a 2 to the fourth, right? Now you notice you're just going to do the 4 to the second power. It's not in parentheses, so that's 2 times 2. That would be 16 negative. Now, if it was in parentheses, then you'd do 4 or 2 to the fourth power, and that would become positive, all right? So a little bit of a trick there. That's 9. So keep, change, whatever you want to call it, and we've got negative 25. All right, so again, remember, they didn't have the same bases, right? So we just evaluated them separately, did the problem. All right, we're done.